Hi guys, today we talk about Honor Magic V Flip. It's launched on June 2024. The dimensions of Honor Magic V Flip: height 6.5, fold 3.4, width 2.97 and thickness 7.2 mm and the fold 14.9 mm. The weight of Honor Magic V Flip: it comes with 193 gram and the build front plastic, glass back and aluminium frame. The display type of Honor Magic V Flip: it comes with foldable LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size with fold 4" and unfold 6.8" with 85.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution: unfold 1080p and the fold 1200 by 1292 pixels. The refresh rate is 120 Hz and the brightness is 3000 nits peak off. The protection is not available at this time. The platform: it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and octa-core CPU with Cortex X2 and the GPU is Adreno 730. The memory of Honor Magic V Flip: it's come with 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup: it's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide. And it's record 4K 30 fps video. The front camera is 50 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video too. The battery backup: it's come with 4500 mAh battery with 66 watt wired fast charging. No wireless charging, no 5-hour reverse wireless charging support. Common than the feature: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted, NFC, UFS 3.1, and the price of Honor Magic V Flip: it's $700.